Welcome to our tutorial on how to search for filters in Instagram with the updated features. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Start by opening the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the filter options. Step 2. Tap on Your Story, located at the top left corner of the screen. This will allow you to begin creating a new story post. Step 3. Next, tap on the camera icon to enter the camera mode within the Instagram Story feature. Step 4. While in the camera mode, look for the camera capture button and swipe left to browse through the available effects and filters. Step 5. Swipe through the filter options to explore different effects and find the perfect one that matches the theme or mood of your story. Step 6. Once you have selected the desired filter and customized your story post, you can save it and share it directly as a story for your followers to view. By following these steps, you can easily search for filters in Instagram to enhance your story posts with creative effects. Experiment with different filters to make your stories more visually appealing and engaging for your audience. Enjoy exploring the filter options and creating captivating story posts on Instagram with the updated features.